What are the future trends in done-for-you environmental services? Well, we can think of three here. What typically happens over time is building materials become more and more known to be dangerous. What is that going to be next? Is it going to be drywall? Is it going to be a certain type of paint? There's going to be something that comes out with testing. It always happens every 30 to 50 years. Something new becomes dangerous. The last thing was asbestos, which brings us to number two. There's going to be more older buildings that are going to have to cycle out of their asbestos use. Look for churches and schools particularly because they're slower to get rehabbed. Third, indoor air quality is going to become a bigger and bigger deal, as well as water testing. I would lump in water testing, even though they're two different types of substances, but I would lump them in together because as people stay in these bigger and bigger high-rises and bigger cities, the indoor air quality and the water are going to become just much more important issues as more and more people have to use the same water and air supply. So look for a new type of materials testing, look for asbestos and renovations, and look for indoor air quality and shared water supplies to become bigger issues. Check us out at WBTC3.com. Thanks again.